How to back up your Samsung device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily back up your Android or any other device. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings menu. From settings, you want to scroll down and find accounts and backup. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then you can tap on backup data. So you could do this either on Samsung Cloud, or if you have any other phone like Xiaomi, you'll have Xiaomi Cloud or something like that. Or you could use Google Drive to back up your data. So let's say if I want to back up data on my Google Drive, I can just tap on backup data, and then it's going to do photos and videos and other device data. If you want, you could also turn on photos and videos. You just go ahead and tap the toggle icon to back it up. Once that is done, you could just tap on the backup now button and it will automatically back up data on your Google Drive. If you don't see this option here, you want to scroll down and find General Management, then go to Reset, and then from there you can find Temporary Cloud Backup and External Storage Backup. You could do the external storage backup by plugging in a USB hard drive or any other disk, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.